Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a free Costco day pass and shop at Costco without buying a membership. So first of all, you need to understand this thing that Costco currently doesn't offer any official free day pass. So you don't need to look for a day pass coupon or temporary membership because there isn't a standard free pass available. However, you can visit a Costco warehouse as a guest with a Costco member. Each Costco member can bring up to two guests into the warehouse, although only the member can make the purchases. Now, if you want to shop for yourself without becoming a member, you can also use certain Costco services that don't require membership. For example, Costco pharmacy prescriptions can be purchased by the non-members. Another option is to shop at Costco.com, where non-members can purchase many types of products, although some of the items and member-only benefits require an active membership. So if your goal is simply to visit the warehouse for free, the easiest option is to go with an existing Costco member as their guest. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.